Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today at 9:30 a.m. I'm heading to my English language school. Yeah, you hear that right. My regular time is 8 p.m. but today is different. And I don't know why, but yesterday they called me and told me to come there about a quarter still to 10. I decided that make a video for you. Last time I made a video for you in my English Academy school. The way was using my phone and the quality was so low and I didn't say anything but using it. I need to remake that video. Unfortunately the red light was green and there were no infinity 7 seconds. So I'm sorry for the delay. Some things happened. One of the worst things happened to me. That my microphone was broken, and I was trying to buy something new, but the prices just go high and high and high, and I couldn't afford to buy one. So I had to somehow cooperate with the camera's internal microphone, and recording noises is very bad. It's awful, and I was trying my best to solve this problem, and fortunately the problem is solved. Guys, I had a bad night and I stayed up late, so I slept about half an hour ago. I was sleeping, so my mind isn't just uploaded yet, so sorry for that. So what's up? What's going on to you? Here we have lots of problems recently, but they'll solve one day. Every problem will solve one day. What about you? Do you have a calm life? No, yours is exciting as me. You know, that's not the enjoyable excitement. Here is the closest, so deep in this. Excellent. Go on. We'll have a long just like here. Finally. E-taxi and turn taxi. And by the way, some of our police boys turned to Honda CV 500, 300. God, CV 500X Lots of our Iranian bikers believe that he can finally move to 400 and 500 bikes, which I hope so. Maybe we have some good bikes in the near future, such as the ZX, Kawasaki ZX4. I don't know. Maybe Yamaha MT6. I don't think we allowed to ride more than 550 because the solid price is 560, I believe. Yes. What other good 400cc bikes we have? Write in the comments. By the way, this is a factory station, so it's natural to see lots of them there. And that's it. I just wanted to inform you I'm alive, I'm kicking. There's no parking space here, so I'm parking here. Okay, thank you for. What's that? Yeah, there's a hole. You move it, there's a hole here. It's dangerous.